Very good morning, dear guys. Welcome to this class. Today we are going to continue the story The Lost Child, written by Mulkraz Anand. Here we have seen that the boy is there in the fair with his parents, enjoying it, very much excited, happy. Besides, we have seen that he asked for many things, but without waiting for the reply of his parents, he moved farther, as he knew very well the reply, the response of his parents. Okay, so here in the last class, we have seen that at the snake charmer, he was fascinated, attracted, or he was carried away by the music. The snake charmer was playing on the flute, yes, to a snake. So there we have seen that the boy moved on without asking for that. Why? Because he knew that his father would say the snake charmer was playing was coarse to hear. That would be the reply of them. He knew very well, and that's why without waiting for their reply he moved farther. Okay, so up to here we have seen. Later on, the fifth thing, in our last class we have listed down the four things that he asked for. Yes, first one, barfi. Second one, the garland of gulmohar. Then balloons. And after that, the fourth one, he wanted to hear the music the snake charmer was playing. Yes, playing on. But here the fifth one, let's see what is that. So here now there was a roundabout in full swing. Roundabout, that means झूला. Okay, झूला जो आसपास गोल गोल घूमता है, that is. Okay, so there was merry go round again. Another word there is for a roundabout is merry go round. Okay, so there was a roundabout in full swing, full speed में घूम रहा एक roundabout था. Men, women and children carried away in a whirling motion, shrieked and cried with dizzy laughter. And when it was in full swing, men, women and children who were there, they were carried away in a whirling motion, round motion में, okay? And they all were shrieked, cried with dizzy laughter. They all were crying, shrieked, but in laughter, dizzy laughter, okay? बेहोशी की जैसे laughter होता है, मतलब एक आनंद वाला laughter में वो सब चिल्ला रहे थे. Enjoying roundabout, we can say. The child watched them intently and then he made a bold request. Okay, till here we have seen he was just asking for various things, but not in a bold manner. But now here he watched them intently, जो हम automatically जो obvious way में जो देखते हैं, that is. Okay, so here he watched them intently, yes, and then he made a bold request to his parents. अब वो request क्या थी देखो. I want to go on the roundabout, please father, mother, I want to go on the roundabout. So here he made a bold request now, okay. Here you should understand that bold request. Okay, here he made a bold request that he wanted to go on the roundabout. Yes, then let's see what happens. जब उसने request किया तो चलो देखते हैं उसके बाद क्या होता है. There was no reply. When he made this bold request, there was no reply from back. Yes, so अब उसके बाद देखो क्या होता है. He turned to look at his parents as there was no reply. He turned back to look at his parents. They were not there ahead of him. So look at there what happened at the roundabout. Okay, or we can say merry-go-round. At the roundabout, when he made a bold request, there was no reply. So he turned to look at his parents but there was no one. There was no one. They were not there ahead of him. He turned to look on either side. On either side means he turned to look on the both sides. Where are they? Where were they? Where were they? They were not there. They were not there. He looked behind. There was no sign of them. There was no sign of them. Okay, there was no sign. There was no sign of them. Yes, means his parents were not there. His parents were not there at the roundabout. He was all alone there. Yes, then a full deep cry rose within his dry throat. With a sudden jerk of his body, he ran from where he stood, crying in a real fear, "Mother, father, mother, father." So look at the condition of the boy. Up to roundabout means up to reach to the roundabout, he was happy. Yes, enjoying everything, asking many things. Yes, as he was with his parents. But now the condition was changed. Now the situation was changed. The boy who was happy, excited, enjoying everything with his parents, now all alone. Yes, so as there was no sign of his parents, a full deep cry rose within his dry throat. A full deep cry. Yes, बहुत जोरों से वो रोने लगा. Within his dry throat, with a sudden jerk of his body, he ran from where he stood. वो जहाँ खड़ा था राउंड अबाउट के पास, वहां से वो भागा. In search of his parents, crying in real fear. Now he was afraid. Before that he was enjoying, he was secured, comfortable. Yes, but as soon as there was no sign of his parents, he became afraid. He was full of fear. Look at the two, the feelings. Two different feelings. First one, with his parents, he was happy, excited, protecting, enjoying everything. But now, as he was without his parents, he was afraid, crying, and asking for his parents. Yes, so the difference, as I told you, this story talks about the relationship between the child, or between the parents and their children. Yes, this story talks about the relationship between the parents and their children. Yes, so here the boy, as he lost there in the fear, now he was full of fear. He was afraid. Mother, father, he was asking for. Tears rolled down from his eyes, hot and fierce. Tears rolled down from his eyes. उसकी आंखों से आंसू बहने लगे. हॉट एंड फियर्स, एकदम ज्यादा पैमाने में फियर्स. His flushed face was convulsed with fear, and his flushed face means happy, shining face previously, which was, now it turned convulsed. Convulsed means turned into, look at the fear. Turned with fear. अब वो डरने लगा. जो चेहरा पहले हंसता खिलता था, now it was with fear. Yes, panic stricken he was now. बहुत ही ज्यादा डरा हुआ. He ran to one side first and then to other, hither and thither, in all directions, knowing not where to go. Yes, as we have seen, this world was a confusing world for him. In the beginning, we have seen already, when he at the point of the fair, or at the point of entrance, at the entrance point of the fair, there he saw the world, confusing world, but still he was fascinated. Yes, he was excited, but now as he lost As he lost, he was panic stricken, he was running hither and thither, here and there, one side and then another side, in all directions, knowing not where to go. क्योंकि उसे पता ही नहीं था कि कहाँ जाना है. It was a confusing world for him. Mother, father, he wailed, cry out loudly. जोर जोर से वो चिल्ला कर रोने लगा. Mother, father. His yellow turban came untied and his clothes became muddy. Look at the condition of the boy. कैसी एकदम पूरी कंडीशन अब उस लड़के की हो चुकी है. Yes, येलो टर्बन केम अनटाइड. जो येलो टर्बन मीन्स पगड़ी, जो पगड़ी उसने बांध के रखी थी, द येलो वन, इट बिकेम अनटाइड. यस, अब वो खुल चुकी थी. एंड हिज क्लोथ्स बिकेम मडी, और उसके क्लोथ भी अब मडी हो चुके थे, डर्टी हो चुके थे. हैविंग रन टू एंड फ्रो इन रेज ऑफ रनिंग फॉर अ वाइल, ही स्टूड डिफीटेड, हिज क्राइज suppressed into shops. Yes, look at that. Having run to and fro, that means hither and thither, यहाँ है वहाँ, आगे पीछे, to and fro, आगे पीछे. So what happened there? As he ran everywhere, in every direction, what happened there? For a while he stood defeated. Why he stood defeated? Because there was no sign of his parents. Though he searched here and there, hither and thither, everywhere, in every direction, but there was no sign of his parents. So then what happened? His cries now suppressed into sobs. पहले तो रो रहा था, अब सॉब करने लगा, हिचक कर रोने लगा. यस, हुंदके दे दे के जो रोते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड सॉब. सो हियर नाउ ही स्टार्टेड सॉबिंग. At little distances on the green grass, he could see through his filmy eyes men and women talking. Yes, at some distance on the green grass, green grass पे उसको कुछ दिख रहा था. Through his filmy eyes. Why it is called filmy eyes? Why? Because he was searching everything, everywhere, his parents. With curious eyes, we can say. Yes, and that's why here the word is mentioned there, filmy eyes. Yes, so here through his filmy eyes he could see the people, men and women talking. उस ग्रीन ग्रास पर लोगों को बात करते हुए देख रहा था. He tried to look intently among the patches of bright yellow clothes. Among the patches means the groups of people who are there. जो एक bunch में ऐसे patches में जाते हैं, लोगों का झुंड. So there he was looking at them intently to find out his parents. He was looking at them who were there in yellow clothes. क्योंकि as we know that फेयर हमेशा मंदिरों के ठिकानों में होते हैं, तो ज़्यादातर लोग येलो क्लोथ्स में जाते हैं. So among them he was looking his parents, but there was no sign of his father and mother. Among these people there was no sign of his parents. Yes, लेकिन उसके मम्मी पापा उसे दिखाई नहीं देते हैं. Who seemed to laugh and talk just for the sake of laughing and talking. Yes, look at there. Another sarcasm is given here. Another sarcasm. What is there? The people who goes to fair, just they laugh and talk. They laugh and talk just for the sake of laughing and talking. Okay, we will see this later on. But here the boy was just looking for his parents in the batches of bright yellow clothes, who were just laughing just for the sake of laughing and talking. सिर्फ बोलने और देखने के दिखावे के लिए सिर्फ वहाँ के जो ब्राइट येलो क्लोथ्स में जो लोग थे वो हंस रहे थे और बोल रहे थे. Just for the sake of laughing and talking, they all were talking and laughing. Yes, and among them he was just looking for his parents, but still there was no sign of his parents. There was no sign of his parents, not of his mother, not of his father. सो लुक एट द कंडीशन। यहाँ देखते हैं हम कि एक बच्चे की पहले मम्मी पापा के साथ थे तो कैसा था और अभी कैसा है। जैसे वो लॉस्ट हो गया उसकी हालत कैसे चेंज हो गई, उसका रवैया कैसे चेंज हो गया, दैट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड हियर। यस, द बिहेवियर, द कंडक्ट ऑफ द बॉय नाउ completely entirely changed. Yes, when he was with his parents he was happy, enjoying everything, but as soon as he realized he was lost, look at the condition. He started crying, sobbing, running here and there in all directions in the search of his parents. Yes, so then look at what happens. He ran quickly again, this time to a shrine. Shrine means temple, the place where we pray to God. Okay, जहाँ हम भगवान से प्रार्थना करते हैं उस प्लेस को कहा जाता है shrine. So here he ran quickly again, this time to a shrine. Now he ran to shrine. Okay, to a shrine, temple. Now he ran to a shrine, and to which people seemed to be crowding, and that place of temple, it was crowded, too much crowded. The people were gathering there in large number. They were gathering there. Every little inch of space here was congested with men. Every inch of space. Yes, every inch of space here was congested, occupied by men. Yes, इंसानों के द्वारा, ह्यूमन बीइंग के द्वारा पूरा ऑक्युपाइड हो चुका था. इवन अ सिंगल और every inch, we can say every inch of space was occupied. So much crowd was there, we can say. But he ran through people's leg. लेकिन लोगों के पैरों के बीच से वो भागने लगा. His little sob lingering. और उसका जो रोना था वो चालू ही था. It was lingering. Yes, it was lingering, hovering there. Mother, father, near the entrance of the temple. Then look at what happened there. Near the entrance to the temple, however, the crowd became very thick. At the entrance of the temple, the crowd became very thick. बहुत ज़्यादा पैमाने में thick हो गया. Men jostled each other. Jostle push करना, push. People started pushing each other. Heavy men with flashing, murderous eyes and hefty shoulders. And look at the description of people who are there at the entrance of the temple. At the entrance of the temple, there were heavy men, flashing, murderous eyes, hefty shoulders. Yes, ऐसे मजबूत कंधों के साथ, मर्डरस आंखों के साथ में, रेड आईज के साथ में, they all were jostling each other. Yes, and among them the little boy was running through their legs. Yes, the poor child struggled to thrust a way between their feet. Yes, that little boy. The little boy was struggling to thirst a way. अपना रास्ता बनाने में, सामने जाने के लिए वो स्ट्रगल कर रहा था between their legs, but knocked to and fro by their brutal movements. Knocked to and fro, आगे पीछे वो धक्का दिया जाता था. Between their legs by their brutal movements. Brutal, cruel movements. उनकी cruel movements से वो आगे पीछे धकेला जाता था. To and fro. He was pushed. He might have been trampled underfoot. Means he fell down due to the brutal movement of the people at the entrance of the temple. Yes, he was about to trample underfoot. पैरों तले वो दबने ही वाला था. Had he not shrieked at the highest pitch of voice, father, mother. Had he not shrieked, अगर उसने, if he had not shrieked at the highest pitch of his voice, अगर अपनी हाई स्पीच में अगर वो मम्मी पापा चिल्लाया ना होता, सो ही माइट हैव बीन ट्रैम्पल्ड, ही माइट हैव बीन ट्रैम्पल्ड अंडर फुट, पैरों तले वो दबा दिया गया जाता, कुचल दिया जाता, अगर वो जोर से चिल्लाता नहीं. एंड देन लुक एट दैट, बिकॉज ऑफ द क्राई, द हाई स्पीच क्राई, व्हाट हैपेंड देयर, अ मैन in the surging crowd heard his cry. A man, okay, that I talked about, the unknown man. The unknown man heard his cry, heard his cry in that surging crowd. Surging crowd means gathering crowd, जो वहाँ बहुत पैमाने में जमा हो रहा था. In that crowd, the man heard his cry, and stooping with great difficulty lifted him up in his arms. Stooping means bending down with difficulty in that surging crowd. इतने बड़े crowd में, इतने बड़े पैमाने में लोग जमा थे. It was difficult for that man to bend down. It was really difficult for him to bend down and pick up that boy. But though it was difficult, but that man picked him up in his arms. In his arms, अपने arms में उस बच्चे को उसने उठाया and saved his life. और उसकी लाइफ वहाँ बचा लिया. यस, सो दिस वे हियर कहते हैं ना कि ज्याला भगवान तारी त्याला कोण न मारी. इट इज लाइक अ प्रोवर्ब इन मराठी, ओके, जिसका भगवान कहवारी है उसको कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता. तो हियर द बॉय हु वाज अबाउट टू ट्रैम्पल अंडर फुट, नाउ रेस्क्यूड बाय एन अननोन पर्सन, an unknown man who bent down with difficulty but picked up the boy in his arms, lifted him up in his arms. Okay, so here that boy was saved by that unknown man. Okay, so dear, I stop myself here. The remaining part we will do in our next video lecture. Okay, so see you soon. Enjoy the classes. Keep watching the videos. Bye bye.